Hey, LG Lawrence Green here. Are you frustrated with your situation, maybe with your job or where you are in life, and you know that you could build your business, your home-based business big enough to be able to quit your job or to do more of what you really like, but you could really use some help to do that? Maybe you're really frustrated. Well, today I'm talking to you about some of your choices. If this is our first time meeting, my name is LG Lawrence Green, and I help home-based business owners like you generate leads so you can make a profit and live a lifestyle that you love. If you haven't been on my YouTube channel, Green Law USA, definitely check it out. Subscribe and click on the bell so you can get videos like this regularly. When I started in network marketing, it was several years ago, and I was a college student, and I had not had a boss yet. Since then, I've had experienced jobs, heard stories, and witnessed both good and bad bosses. I had summer jobs, after school jobs, student jobs. Now I've been a boss and worked for bosses as an adult. I once saw a friend go from having a supportive boss that built him up to having a boss that tore him down. Luckily, I was able to guide my friend to building his business, and he was able to fire his boss. Have you ever experienced your job you didn't really enjoy, and to make it worse, you had a boss that was very demeaning and someone who liked being a boss too much? I think you probably had a boss like that before, and they belittle you, and they just make you feel like you're nothing compared to them, right? They make your job harder. You know that you can't just quit the job. You know, even though you have a business, you're not making enough. I used to keep talking to the same people or talking to people when I was out and about, maybe at a barbecue. And you know, when people are at a barbecue, they don't want to hear about it. All they want is a hot dog or burger or something. So then I found a system where I started generating leads online, and people started reaching out to me about my opportunity, and everything changed. The number of people online is way bigger than my list of 100 people, okay? And my business started to grow from state to state, from coast to coast, country to country. So if you're in that position, if you're in a company, maybe network marketing, affiliate marketing, and you believe in what you're doing and want the freedom, the time freedom, and the money and everything that comes with it, if you're not doing well enough, you're not making enough to quit your job, click on the link to learn what it takes to how to build a network marketing business to quit your job. You can also join my Facebook group. I will show you how to go from where you are to where you want to be, and there are some freebies for you, so check it out. And I also have a couple of ebooks that can help you scale your business. I have a passion to help more entrepreneurs to achieve success, so please make it a great day and let's get started.